Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share with you guys this little quick Dollar Tree hack that I found, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. And I know it's been a while since I've been up here, but I'm just gonna show you guys how you can get your glitter all cute. You know, these really fancy companies sell their glitters in these little veils or whatever you want to call them, but I'm gonna show you guys how you can do this at home. So I bought these little things at Dollar Tree, yes, at Dollar Tree, and it comes in a 7 or a 6 pack if you buy the bigger ones. This one is the little pack, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do them on the big pack so it's more visible. And I'm just showing you guys right here the glitter that I have, and I'm also gonna do some pigments, so you can do this with pigments as well. So I know I'm showing you guys all this glitter, but this is just all the glitter that I haven't bottled up yet. I'm just showing you guys all the ones that I have left to bottle up. I don't know which ones out of these I'm going to choose to demonstrate in the video, but just keep watching to see which ones I bottle up. Start off, you want to make sure that you wash and dry very well your little veil things, just to make sure they're sanitized, you know. So I'm taking this little notepad and I'm going to be ripping out little pieces of paper, which I also got this notepad at Dollar Tree as well, but I'm just ripping out pieces of paper because I will pour the glitter onto this, and you will see how I do that. So I just pour the glitter out to this. They have this little cap usually if you get the NYX glitters, and you just want to pop that off and then you can pour your glitter out. I like to, after this, I like to grab my little piece of paper into like a taco shape. I know it sounds weird, but it is like into a taco shape, and you want to like fold it gently. You want to do this very gently because you can screw up any minute, and you know glitter is very messy. So I kind of pinch it at the front with just like a little bit of space for it to come out. I know it's kind of blurry to see and my camera wasn't focusing, but I just kind of let the glitter out slowly and then just tugging at the paper to make sure it all comes out. And there you have it. You just put your little corkscrew thing back on, and you have a nice bottled glitter. So next I'm going to be doing this pink one, and I'm just going to speed things up for you guys because I know it is a lot of glitter I have to bottle up. So I'm just going to speed up the videos just a little bit so we're not taking forever here. And this glitter right here I bought off of superheroglitters.com. I think that's what it was called. So yeah, that's where I got that from. And guys, make sure you do this a little bit at a time. You don't want to overwhelm yourself and put too much glitter and not be able to dump it out correctly. So I did half of my glitter because that was a big container, and then I did the other half. And then you want to tap it down if you have a lot of glitter so the glitter can compact, and then you can put the rest. And there you have it. It looks so pretty. I love the way these look, guys. This right here is one of my favorite glitters. It's called Fire Heart, and I also bought it from superheroglitters.com. I love this glitter a lot. It's so pretty, and if you guys can, go buy it. I think they're only $1. Maybe they went up a little bit, and I did a little oopsie right there, but it's okay. I cleaned it up, no worries. So boom, I cleaned it, and now I'm just gonna put the little cork back on. So now I'm gonna do this pigment. This is a MAC pigment. I'm not sure of the name right now at the top of my head, but yeah, it's a nice little glittery pinky pigment, and I'm gonna put that into the veil thing. So you guys are gonna see that right now. This one is a little bit chunkier, but you can still do it the same way. There's no problem. I just kind of tug back and forth at the paper because it does keep getting stuck, but yeah. And make sure you tap that product out, guys, because you know this stuff is expensive, so I wanted to make sure I got every little bit of my product out. And boom, there we have it, our nice little pigment. And I did this, guys, because I got tired of having all of those little bottles of glitter and all those bottles of pigments, and they're all different sizes, and I have to carry them in my makeup case. So I'd rather just put them in these, and then that way I have them all nice and even organized, and I can see the colors better as well. So this is why I did that. So I had one last veil left, and I did not know which glitter to bottle up. So I did a little eeny meeny miny mo kind of thing, and the green one won. So that's the one that I bottled up lastly. And this is such a pretty green, you guys. Like, I love it. Like, it's like iridescent. I don't know how to explain it, but it's so pretty. So I'm glad that one won. And you guys are gonna see in a little bit that I had like a little oopsie. The bottle fell over, but no worries. Nothing really spilled out, so I'm good with that. Oh, there you go. It happens, guys, so just don't beat yourself up about it if something happens while you're bottling these up. So anyways, thank you for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this with your friends. It's a cute little DIY. Like, how cute is this? You know? Just share with your friends and family if you love it. If you're going to try it, comment down below and let me know. And alright, guys. Bye.